Bye, doggy. I was eating fast.
You should say take your time.
Happy ending. Pre-workout of the day.
They don't even know what they're talking about.
C4. I might start debating to put this in something else. I'm debating. Should I have this? Because I got the bubblegum with me as well. 2.5 off.
Of what? No.
This and bubblegum?
No.
Why not?
One's enough for me.
What? Oh. Wow. Alright. Pink. Margarita. Pink. Strawberry margarita. Not too bad. We're going to do upper today.
That's not.
Why do you never see these things when you're on camera? Literally. Come on, do it again, do it again. I was like, cocaine! No! I don't know how to do it on camera! I was even saying that last time, the things that you were saying, I wish I recorded. It was so, honestly so funny.
What was I saying?
He was like, push! So you're gonna do upper, the actual book. So you're gonna do incline press. Then I have to do incline dumbbell press, cable flies, high. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the bloody scoop, innit?
High arm. No, single high arm, machine press, pull, whatever. Cool downs.
Read?
No, I can't read clearly. Can't even read. Can you read what I said right there?
No.
Scoop it in, honey.
A bit extra.
Quite. Very good. Dun dun dun. Like I was saying, Caesar wide grip V-bar, incline press for shoulders, laying cuffs, standing lateral raises, and some biceps, and some triceps. Let's get it done.
Ready for action! Shit! Fuck!
I'm so glad I left this camera on. Oh my days! Mate, you peed yourself. That was honestly so funny. Mel didn't even close it properly. Oh, that was honestly so funny. His face reaction. Is this closed? You work it there, toe wall right there. Shake it. So everyone gets hyped up with his toe wall. I've had this before. I've recorded it several times and it's alright. Not the best place, but something inside. Is it? Wait, actually they are. So this is the best part, end part. All that powdery stuff. Now, lost a little bit. I'll guarantee you, as soon as I start talking, these two dogs here are going to start barking. I told you. Like, it was an obvious thing. This dog gets jealous. As soon as I'm like, if Taz is near someone, he'll be like, no, I need attention. It's the weirdest, like, the dog is so needy, it's unreal. So, this week, I'm actually doing a deload week, and I'm going to explain to you why you need a deload, the whole concept of a deload week, when you should be taking a deload week, and also if you can tell, here's a little red like mark here, so there's like a little nasal strip here that I use when I sleep, but I use it obviously when I actually do cardio as well, so that's just so I can breathe better, breathe good. So the whole reason why I'm actually doing a deload week, there's different actual ways you can do it, but the whole reason is to recover. So my approach when it comes to a deload week, it can vary to some people, but you can either have like a rest week, for example, or like you can actually go to the gym and you can do roughly about, you're not going to go 100% full potential of actual your max weight. So I would recommend I would say what I normally do, I'd go roughly about 50-60% of the actual weight. So instead of doing 100% or 90% or whatever you do, decrease the load and do about 50-60%. It won't take, like normally like now, so obviously this deload week, it roughly takes my work about an hour, and normally it takes like 2 hours. It's literally like in and out, that's all you want to do. So obviously in this whole week you want to try and recover, and the reasons why you want to implement deload week, it can be many factors, because obviously if you're not progressing when it comes to weight, like when you've hit some sort of like plateau, like for me I've got to a stage where I'm like kind of struggling to try and progress, or it's like kind of slipping down a bit so I need to step back a bit, like actual recover. So this is the one reason why I'm doing it. So I've actually in this actual deload week, I've done 4 days of actual training and actually just 3 days off. There's different actual ways you can do this, but this is the way I do it. I'm gonna actually do 4 days of actual training, which I'm still gonna stick to my actual program, and after I actually gonna have 3 days off. That's how I'm gonna do it. And when I come back to it, I'm gonna try and actually ease in slightly, because I guarantee if I'm gonna go straight in hammering it, I'm gonna get dumps straight away. But if you do feel like you're actually feeling like, yeah, I feel this work, I'm gonna feel it set, go smash it out then. But it comes to preference at the end of the day, so it's gonna vary from people to people. But when it comes to actually when you should actually do deload week, it will vary. Like, it depends on if you're progressing. If you feel like you're not recovering fast enough, it will differ. It will depends on the person, but there's not actual exact specific weeks and how long when you should actually take deload week. Would I recommend you doing deload week? Hell yes, because you need to recover. When it comes to nutrition wise, I'm sticking to the exact same thing, only because I'm actually about to finish my mini cuts, so I'm going to stick to the exact same thing, but because I'm still recovering enough when it comes to actually my workouts, so I'm going to leave it exact same thing. Like some people actually like try and change their, like when it comes to nutrition, like the carbs, proteins, the fat, to stick to the exact same thing, because you're gonna need your carbs, you're gonna need your fat, you're gonna need your proteins to try and recover. And if you're gonna lower it even more, how the fuck are you gonna recover? So that's my approach when it comes to deload week. I'm gonna do this for a week, see how I respond, and after you go straight back to a surplus, because I'll be done with my mini cut, I'll be done with my deload week, which is all good. Normally you can either do a rest week or go to the gym, but I find it boring sometimes when I just don't. When I do go to the gym, and I do like baby. So if you feel like you need a deload week, have a bloody deload week. Take a rest, relax, chill, sit down. Hope that the video. Like, subscribe. I don't know how I was gonna do that. Like, subscribe as always, and I'll see you next one. Actually, these two little buggers are gonna say bye. Say bye, you two. Bye, 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 bye. This dog's like, no. My dog. My owner. See ya.